So after creating the domain, and now we will create blocking all around the airfoil, and then we will make grid around this airfoil. So let us delete first these points. Now we will create points at the leading edge and the trailing edge, and 2 points near the leading edge to hold the blocking. So to create point, go to the create point tab in the geometry, and now create point from the curve intersection. Choose this curve and press middle mouse button. Okay. So 2 points at the leading and trailing edge will be created. Now we will create another points near the leading edge by this option, creating a point along a curve at a certain percentage distance. So first of all, we will create a point at a 5% distance, and this point is created. Now select 95.95. So at 95% of this curve length, another point will be created. This point, right? Now we will go to the transform geometry command, and select this point. Let us turn the curve, so because we only want to move this point, so select this point, press middle mouse button to confirm. Now check copy, and now move point minus 0.2, offset this point and apply. So this point will move point 2 towards the left of the original point, and again now select this point, press middle mouse button, and now we will move this point point 2 in the positive y direction and negative y direction. Apply. Again select this point, and now move it negative y direction. So again turn on the curve. Now we will create blocking. So now go to the blocking and create block. Now select geometry, and from this type 2D planar, and apply. So one block has been created. You can see the model tree, one tab has been added, blocking. So you can turn on the block. This is the block, and solid view, and edges. These are the edges. These are the edges of the domain. Now we will split this one block into several blocks to create a block around this airfoil, and then we will convert to this central block to O-grid. So first you save all this, and now go to the split block command, select split block, now select the edge, now select select the edge, select this vertical edge, go back. Now select this vertical edge, and this point. Again select this vertical edge and this point. Now select this edge and any of the 3 points. Now turn the curve on, select this edge and select the trailing edge point. So in this way we have uh, created multiple blocks, in which this one is the central block. Let us see. So now we will convert this block to the O grid. So to convert O grid, again go to the split block command, select O grid, select the blocks, these 2 blocks, and press middle mouse button. So these 2 blocks have been selected. Now select the edge at which we don't want the O grid. So because the trailing edge is now apply, because the trailing edge is uh, because the trailing edge is a sharp point, so we will not create a O grid at this side. Now we want an edge emanating resulting pointing from this trailing edge. So for that we have to collapse this block. Either we can merge these vertices by the merge vertices command. So merge to average and select these vertices, and in a similar manner go to the rightmost side and merge these 2 vertices. You can do this in one go by collapse block command. So to do this, first select the edge, go back one more time. To do this, first select the edge and then select the block which you want to collapse. So the same result has been obtained. Now we will adjust the blocking and we will move the vertices, these vertices, to this point and to this point. Sorry, this one. And another way we can do this by associating points and points and vertices. So now we will associate the internal edges with the curve parameter. So go to the association and select all these edges, press middle mouse button and select the curve. So in the next lecture we will do meshing.